Burning Fruit.
Hi there, welcome to this video. I'm Steve from Burning Fruit, your user experience specialist, and we're here to tell you all the user experience secrets that we've learned over 10 years creating high-performing, converting websites.
So let's have a look at the IT companies again and see if they've got a physical map. So I know the answer to this one already. Nope, they do not have a physical map, and it's also questionable whether they still exist. Linden Tech, do they have an office somewhere? Well, they do. They have an address in the bottom left-hand corner, but outside of that, I can't actually click on the address. I can't see what the office looks like. Nothing, which is a shame. And we've already seen the Inspired IT. We got pictures of their staff in their offices. We've seen a video of their offices as well. But there's no map. If they had a map and a service location and then pins of businesses that they've actually worked with, that would be next level. That would be really, really cool. So yeah, to be honest, with Inspired IT, I think it's a matter of improving something which is really good. And so this is almost like icing on the cake. Having these, they've got missing a couple of things, but the icing on the cake of an already pretty good website in terms of building trust is concerned. So well done, Inspired IT. Great job.
Burning Fruit.